In this video, I will share with you the first 5 cards that I created using the May 2021 kit from Club Echo Park called Summertime. Hello again and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I cut some of the paper that is in the picture up here and how I utilized as many of the different elements as I could. We've got the enamel dots, and we've got the ephemera. We've got the chipboard stickers, and we've got the regular stickers. Now, I didn't cut all the paper down, which I usually would do, but because I'm going to be saving some of this for the Show Us Your Sheet Load the first week of June. All right, let's get started. This is card number 1, and this is a fun fold base that I had. You just cut your regular A2 and then fold this back on itself. And I used a piece of ephemera here. I used 3 pieces of pattern paper. This is the other side of this one, and then the yellow. And this is my Seaside Spray Butterfly. If you recall, I did the Stampin' Up! Haul where I had the Butterfly Brilliance collection. And the Seaside Spray matches with these colors just pretty perfectly. So here's my washi tape. And here's some enamel dots. And then I used You Are Amazing in Seaside Spray. And I don't recall the name of the stamp set this came from, but it had a whole lot of cool sentiments. Card number 2 is also a fun fold. This is a lighter, almost not even pink. And this is a darker pink, and they came out of the same set that I got from Michael's. It had 3 different hues of a rose color. So on this one, I used a cut apart, and I generally like to use the cut aparts for my fun folds because they are thicker. And here again are the 3 pieces. This is the opposite of that. And again, I used the yellow here. And this butterfly is stamped and then cut. The washi tape and the enamel dots. Now, you know I love my Nouveau drops, but if I have enamel dots, then I will use them definitely, because I know they're going to match perfectly. This is my 3rd one. It's double matted. I've got the Blushing Bride and the Seaside Spray, and then the piece of pattern paper. The Blushing Bride is embossed. It's a heart embossing folder. And then this is popped up. This is ephemera. This is popped up on foam dots. And I wanted to show you these real quick. I got 8 pieces. I got 4 of the smaller foam dots and 4 of the big foam dots for $8 on Amazon. And oh, I forgot to show you the insides. This is Rococo Rose, and then I use stickers. I like to use the stickers for the insides of the cards. And then here is a little bit simpler one. I use chipboard accents. I use my enamel dots, and I matted this piece here. This is like a 2 by 5 1/4, and I matted it with Seaside Spray. And here's a couple more stickers. And number 5, the Seaside Spray matte is embossed with roses. And then I have the yellow daisies, 2 little stickers here. And then I did something different. I matted the chipboard piece with Blushing Bride. So here again, I used one of my butterflies, and then another sticker, and this is Rococo Rose. So here are all my cards. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Which one is your favorite? Please comment below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.